right? So I'm a teacher, so this is what I am supposed to do.
Okay, sir. Okay. ഞാൻ തലയോരടുത്തും ഞാൻ സംസാരിക്കുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് അവസരം കിട്ടുമ്പോൾ ഞാൻ ഇതിനെപ്പറ്റി പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. സാർ ഇത്രയും വർഷം എടുത്ത് ഇതിനു വേണ്ടി ആ ഒരു കാര്യം പറഞ്ഞതെന്ന് പറയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക്.
No, generally people go and then talk to, I remember when Talaivar wanted one of my presentation, so he was mentioning the other day, he uses my presentation. You know why? When he asked my presentation, I took all my PowerPoint presentations, videos, everything, I put it on a pen drive and gifted to him next day morning. The pen drive I purchased from outside and then gifted to him. I can say I don't have a medium, why can't you come and then take me, give me something, which I don't do that. I just gifted what I purchased, went outside, purchased next day morning by breakfast time. I gave everything on a pen drive to him saying that you take it. Some people remember, some people may not even remember. But I keep doing it. If that cannot be done, I will not learn many things in my life because I am getting it from many people. I have to share it to many people. Right? That's what I do.
സാറേ, എൻ്റെ ഒരു ഹംബിൾ റിക്വസ്റ്റ് സാറേ, ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ ഒരു 9-10-12 ആൾക്കാർ കൊറോണ ബാധിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ അവരുടെ ഒരു മാനസിക നിലയെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഒരു വല്ലാത്ത ഒരു രീതിയാണ്. അപ്പൊ അവർക്കൊരു സാന്ത്വനമായിട്ട് സാറിന്റെ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു സ്പീച്ച് കുറച്ച് ഒന്ന് ചെയ്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എനിക്ക് അവർക്ക് അയച്ചു കൊടുക്കാൻ പറ്റും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇത് അഫക്റ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആൾക്കാർക്ക് നമുക്കൊന്ന് അയച്ചു കൊടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ കൂടെ ചെയ്യും.
See, what we should do is, when we have a problem, don't address the problem, don't treat them as with the problem. Corona is just like a normal fever. See, no, that is because every day you are seeing lot of news. Second one, you are only thinking about your problem, you are not thinking something else. See, assume you have a problem, I have a problem, I don't care that I am trying to learn something, do something else which is interesting, then you will forget all this. So don't talk about problems, don't talk about anything which is related to corona. You don't worry. When people say you don't worry, that is actually a worrying thing. What they should do is they should focus on something else. Sitting at home, you can do many things. Now we have done sitting at home. You understood? So make them empower to do something different, something great, something happy. Keep on creating something, ask them to learn this, learn that, look at that. Share the video and then tell them, look at all this. This is how you should invest your time. I am sure this video of making a video which I sent and I will upload on YouTube and give you the link. You can share it to everyone. Let everybody learns now.
സാറേ, അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ ഈ അഫക്റ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആൾക്കാർ നമ്മളെ വിളിക്കുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ അന്നേരം അവർക്ക് ഒരു സാന്ത്വനമായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ എന്താ?
No, you should focus, divert. You don't talk about these problems are all big, not a big problem. Don't let us not talk about it. Tell me, what are you doing else? If something else they are not doing, actually they are wasting time. You understood? There is a great story, I'll tell you. An old man, I used to tell this in LIC sometime. After a long time I am telling again the same thing. An old man was sleeping in a bed in a hospital. He was almost to die. Okay, the nurse comes and gives medicines and all that. There is another bed next in the same room, another bed. Where a young boy, when he was driving, that time I used to tell he was driving Yamaha motorbike. See, the motorbike name itself is Yamaha. That means you will go to Yama and die. Right? And he met with an accident and he was lying in the hospital where neck cannot be tilted. Hand and leg, everything is fractured. He is only looking up. And he knew that some other old man is in the other bed. So only two people. So what is that he speaks to the old man? Whenever there is a sound in the street, he will ask, what is happening there? So he will tell that, no, that's a marriage party going, the girl looks so beautiful, it's so decorated, lot of people are dancing. So this boy, whenever you hear that, even now Arun is imagining that scene, right? So the boy was also imagining. So whenever keep on getting chance, this old man will explain. On the road, this is happening, that is happening, this is happening, that is happening. So this boy is not able to tilt, he cannot see that.
Yeah.
But the old man explains everything what is there in the street.
Yeah. Yeah.
And after 2-3 days, the old man became Krishna Rama Govinda, died, and that bed got relieved.
Yeah.
And this boy could just tilt his head because 3-4 days after that, this neck belt is removed.
Yeah.
So when the nurse came,
Yeah.
the young man asked, "Can you shift this bed from that to this place
Yeah.
so that I can see what is happening through the window?" Because window is on the other side. The small wind is coming. So when the wind comes, that is called the window.
Yeah.
So I am able to see on the road, then I can enjoy. Why can't you shift me there?
Yeah.
And you know what happened? The nurse was asking, "How do you know there is a window?" "A small wind is coming." No, there is no window. That's a small fan.
Yeah.
No, light is coming. Yeah, light is coming, but it is a glass window.
Yeah.
There is a window, but not open. But then sound is also coming. Sound will come wherever you are there. No. But this old man was seeing what is on the road and then explained to me everything. How is it possible? How can the old man see? He is a blind fellow.
Yeah.
So a blind fellow who is not seeing anything started giving lot of stories to this boy for what? What for?
Okay. The ambition level.
To make him happy. To make him happy. The old man is also having lot of problem, illness, disease. He is going to die in 2-3 days. You can see he will have lot of trouble.
Yeah.
When this young boy is asking, the old man can say, "Don't disturb me, I am sick. I am not seeing anything, there is no window." He can scold him.
Yeah.
But instead of that, what the old man did? Made this young boy happy.
Yeah.
So what is required in life? Even you are suffering,
Yeah.
make somebody else happy.
Okay.
Don't take suffering.
Yeah.
Illness is different and disease is different. One video which you can send is illness, disease, Dr. TPS. I will share you the link.
Okay, sir.
Where I am saying illness is to the body. Disease is happy. Disease is not happy.
Okay.
So disease is a mental problem.
Okay.
Illness is a health problem. Disease is a mental problem.
Okay.
So don't add mental problem to health problem.
Okay.
You understood?
Yeah.
This is what is to be learned. So
Okay.
don't add your mind into that. Just get rid of the mind.
Okay.
So best direction is do something which will help people. Learning is the best investment.
Okay.
Okay. I also suffered a lot in my life with the different problems. Whenever problem is there, I will learn something new. I remember when I got chicken pox, 10 days inside the room, I really enjoyed. That's the time I started learning meditation. I started making house plans, learned a lot of vastu because no disturbance. Those days there is no telephone also. So nobody will telephone, nobody will disturb you. I am inside my room. That's it. So every problem can be converted into an opportunity. That is what is to be done. There is no problem in the world. It's only thinking of the problem is the biggest problem. Get rid of that. Okay. Arunde വീട്ടിൽ ആരൊക്കെയുണ്ട്?